Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shipt Shopper app to bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Shipt Shopper app on your mobile device. Log into your Shipt Shopper account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Next, find and tap on the Payment Information option. Here, you will see your current payment methods. If you need to add a new bank account, select Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. After entering your details, tap on Save to confirm the addition. Now, return to the Payment Information section. To withdraw your earnings, look for the Withdraw option. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You will see your available balance displayed here. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your linked bank account for the transfer. Finally, tap on Confirm to complete the withdrawal. Wait for a confirmation message to appear on your screen. Check your bank account to see when the funds arrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.